Hello everybody, it's man Magnus here, and welcome to the video. Basically, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the frames missed due to rendering lag. I want to make that very clear. If you look down in the bottom right hand corner, you can see the date. It is currently, it's currently June 5th. So basically, this is up to date. As of June 5th, this is up to date. I want to be very clear about that. My computer, it's a good computer, right? But it still has its own problems, stuff like that. But yeah, now for those of you who are wondering how I'm gonna be, how I actually have this screen black, just I opened up a second OBS. But basically, a few things I want to say before we actually start the video is that, please check out the channel, like Subnautica. The first few episodes I was recording with OBS, and you can see the frames missed due to rendering in that video. That way you can actually see what I am talking about when I say I'm missing frames. So, basically what you're going to go ahead and do is, in order to fix this, okay, go to your settings, alright? Now, I'm just set to dark theme because I like it. So, output mode, simple, you know, not too bad. The bitrate is set to 2500, which I just saw from other people's videos. Okay, the encoder, just the normal encoder, audio bitrate, whatever. Recording path, I just have mine, and then indistinguishable, like you can have high quality. I'm gonna probably set mine to indistinguishable, you know, whatever. I'm gonna change mine kind of on the fly here, you know. You don't have to do it, but just, yeah. Okay, MP4, I'm not exactly sure, okay, but yeah. So see, here's the thing with MP4 is that it doesn't save it if your computer crashes. Another kind can save it, so just, you know, throwing that out there. And apply. Okay, now video. Here's where everything lies. That my uncle gave me a great idea, right? And honestly, I really have to thank him for like the entire thing, because now OBS runs flawlessly. CPU usage is way down, and my frames per that I lose has also just diminished to basically like nothing compared to what it was before. So basically, your resolution, okay? Now, I have mine set to 1280, 720. Okay? Now, if you guys have used YouTube's, or if you are recording for YouTube, you may notice that it goes 720, 1080, and then 1068. So, mine was literally set to 1080. I had no idea about that. Okay? So, this here is the lowest resolution you can have. That is what really helps out. Okay? But also the output, you want to set that down to about 720. Anything lower I don't really recommend, because you still want your videos to be high quality, kind of like how mine is turning out right now. So now, another thing you really have to focus on is that it's 30 FPS, okay? So, like, I have mine set to 30 FPS. It runs pretty good. Like, basically, you can notice like a little bit of like slowness. Like, for instance, when I record Subnautica, and eventually I will put up that video, but you will notice bubbles kind of going up a little bit slower. Like, you kind of notice like they kind of like hop every few seconds, like every like, you know, second or something. You'll kind of see them kind of like kind of 8-bit. Like, you know how like 8-bit stuff, in like stuff that moves in 8-bit kind of moves up. Like, it's kind of like a higher quality version of that. It's basically what it is. But basically, if you're capturing 60 frames, all right, that is a lot at the higher quality that I had no idea, which is actually OBS's preset. Then it will be using a ton of your CPU usage. Set it down to about 30. Set it down to 48. Set it just down a little bit. 30, I think, is the lowest I would go personally. But basically, once you've done this, you have to make sure you hit apply, and then you should be pretty much all set for recording. I actually went ahead and I looked over my Subnautica video after I changed these settings. The frames are amazing. I didn't lose any. I think I lost, like, literally, like I mentioned in the beginning, 0.1%. It works just great. So anyway, basically that's how you fix OBS. It is 2019 June 5th. Okay, it is up to date. I'm just pointing that out. So yeah, if you like the video, hit the like button. It supports the channel. Check out the channel. And also check out some of the Subnautica videos if you guys are wondering what I mean by, like, it's losing frames or it's getting choppy. Go ahead, check it out. I recommend it. But anyway, that's all, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.